Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and this is Rahul Chowre, and today I'm going to focus on how to use the R commands and ellipse and spline command in Creo Parametric. So first of all, let's get started, and just open your Creo Parametric, take the new file, unclick this, click on the OK, then click on millimeters, click on OK, and next for explaining these things, select the front plane. For sketching view, from the model, take the sketch, click on this view, and then in this sketch tab, all commands you will be see here. Then here is the first one command, the R command, 3-point tangent end, center, 3 tangent, concentric and conic. Okay, so the command itself name indicates that 3-point command. By using 3-point we are going to draw the arc over here. Just take this command. The system is asking so take in any first point. This is the first point I have selected, and the next one, the second point I clicked here. Okay, the system has generated here a curve shape. Here you can see like this, and for fixing whatever or as per drawing where you wanted to draw the shapes, just take the third one point, just click on OK. After clicking, the object is getting stable, and after pressing the middle button of your mouse or cursor, the dimension automatically generated by the system. Here you can see. So this is the first one, arc, and second one is center and ends. In this, we have to select the firstly as the center point of the circle, and then the second point as the circle. Just click on the center and end command. System is asking take the first point. Here I am going to take, this is the first point. Now here you can observe the circle is going to create, but still not created because I didn't selected the second point for the creation of the circle shape. Okay, so just take any point like this, click on this. Here you can observe, you can create this arc like this. Okay, of any dimension like this. Just click over here. This arc is also generated after clicking middle mouse button of mouse. Dimension are created automatically, and here you can see the radius 92.48 is there. Double click on this, you can change it to 100 mm. Okay, and then again go to the sketch, and here is the third one command, that is the 3 tangent. Okay, for 3 tangent we require three drawn lines for drawing that, as the name is suggest, a 3 tangent arc is there. So drawing that arc we require the 3 tangent lines or the curves. Okay, so just take this circle and ends again, and draw any third one object. I am going to draw here like this. Okay, like this. Okay, and just go to the sketch and take this third command, 3 tangent, and then this is the first point, this is the second point. Here you can observe the circle is projections like this. The circle is created. Okay, now third point we wanted, I select this as a third point, so this type of shape is created. Okay, so again go to the sketch and take this arc, 3 tangent, take this arc, this as the first point, this is the second point, and this as the third point. Okay, here you can see. So this is the purpose of this command. Then again go to the sketch. Here the fourth one arc is concentric. Click on the concentric. The concentric shapes are created like this. If I wanted to make the concentric as a similar shape, which drawing I already have here, this is the already drawn curve, and I want it symmetric, the same shape drawn curve. So just click on this. Here you can see projections are showing the system like this. Here from anywhere you can draw this. Just take this first point. Here you can see curve is started by relating to this curve, or this is called, why this is called as the concentric command. Okay, concentric arc like this. Take this second point. Here you can see the purpose of this concentric arc. And then conic arc. Conic arc is there. For conic, we just have to just select this first point and the second point. Here you can see the one curve is created like this. If you drag upside, downside, here and there, the shape is getting changed like this shape. Okay, and then just take this point, click on this point and double click, or not double click, or the middle, press middle mouse button. The dimensions are created over here. Here you can see. So here is how I show how to play with these all the commands of the arc. Okay, I used to make the single command, single video for the single commands, and HNU commands of the Creo Parametric. So in my channel you get all the videos. Okay, so this is just request to you, kindly, if you are new on the channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Here I have completed this arc command. In the next video I am going to make video on the ellipse. Okay, whatever the commands are there, I just used to the single video and single command. In some video I have completed the different or multiple commands in a single video. So thank you very much friends for watching this video. Here you can go.